Hello guys, how are you today? Fine? Okay. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع is with, السلامة is safety. With safety. It's a nice way to say goodbye and to wish someone safety wherever he goes. It's the most popular phrase, but what to do if you're fed up of saying the same thing over and over again? After watching this video, you will learn 14 phrases that you can use at the end of the conversation, including مع السلامة if you didn't know it. So let's start. First, I want to say that all of these phrases are modern standard Arabic. You will hear them on TV, in cartoons, for example, and you will see them in books. Some of them can be used in dialects, but a lot of dialectal phrases won't be mentioned in this video. Maybe I will make a video about Egyptian Arabic. If you want to, let me know in the comments. The second way to say goodbye after مع السلامة is إلى اللقاء, or to sound more natural, إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. إلى is the preposition, which is usually translated into English as to, and it refers to destination, to the place where we want to go. And لقاء is meeting. So, to the meeting or till the next meeting. When you say this phrase, you imply that you want to see this person again. You wish to have this second meeting. But sometimes people say something that they don't mean and they are just polite. So you can also add Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah. It's an Islamic phrase, and in is if, Sha'a means wishes, Allah means God. If Allah wishes it, if it's God's will. This phrase is used by Muslims when they talk about future, their plans and wishes. Nobody knows which hour will be last for us. So when they say it, they mean that they will do it if it's God's will, if they are alive. So you can say إلى اللقاء إن شاء الله, إلى اللقاء إن شاء الله, till the next meeting if it's God's will for us to meet. You can also add قريبا, قريبا, which means soon. إلى اللقاء قريبا, إلى اللقاء قريبا, or إلى اللقاء قريبا إن شاء الله, إلى اللقاء قريبا إن شاء الله. It's very close to English, see you soon. Or you can change قريبا to غدا, tomorrow, غدا. إلى اللقاء غدا, إلى اللقاء غدا. See you tomorrow. The third way to say goodbye in Arabic is quite rare, but I heard it from a real person on Arabic TV several times, and it's also mentioned in dictionary. So, إلى الملتقى, إلى الملتقى, and I love it. It's the rare synonym of إلى اللقاء, and they share the same root. Actually, I love rare words, maybe because I was a beginner and intermediate a very long time ago, and I'm just bored. So if you're bored too and you want to use a unique phrase, use إلى الملتقى. وداعا, وداعا, or الوداع, الوداع, and it means something like farewell, and I hear it quite often in Arabic cartoons. And if you're from Turkey, now you know that el-veda is al-wada' in Arabic. 5. I heard this phrase a lot from one Syrian guy, and at the same time it's very fusha. Fi amanillah, fi amanillah. Fi is in, Aman is safety, and Allah is God. In the safety of God or in the God's protection. And it can also be considered as an Islamic goodbye. Fi amanillah. Araka lahiqan. Araka lahiqan. See you later. Ara means I see. Ka means you if you address a man. And lahiqan means later. أراك لاحقا, and you can address a woman too, أراكِ لاحقا, and a group of people, أراكم لاحقا, أراك, أراكِ, أراكم لاحقا. Or instead, you can use the word that you already know, قريبا, قريبا, soon, أراك قريبا. أراك قريبا. See you soon. Or you can use the word tomorrow. غدا. غدا أراك. غدا أراك. غدا. Or you can say أراك على خير. أراك على خير. And it means I will see you in a good condition. And you can add inshallah to all of these phrases. أراك لاحقا إن شاء الله. أراك قريبا إن شاء الله. أراك غدا إن شاء الله. And أراك على خير إن شاء الله. You can say goodbye in a very friendly way. Salam. Salam. And it means peace. I hope you learned something new today, and in my next video we'll talk about grammar, but now you can watch my other videos right here. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to always stay informed about my next videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Salam! Salam! Just такой получается. That they will do it